Hello everyone, and welcome to our reading and writing workshop for beginners. I'm thrilled to have you all here as we embark on this exciting journey together. In session 1, we'll explore nouns, the building blocks of our sentences. Then, in session 2, we'll dive into verbs, the action words that bring our stories to life. Session 3 focuses on pronouns, helping us make our writing more concise. Following that, Session 4 will introduce adjectives, the descriptive words that add color and detail to our writing. In Session 5, we'll cover adverbs, which enhance our verbs and gives more depth to our actions. Then, Session 6 will teach us about prepositions, essential for indicating relationships in space and time. Next, in Session 7, we'll learn about conjunctions, the words that connect our thoughts. Session 8 is all about synonyms and antonyms, enriching our vocabulary and expression. We'll then shift gears in Session 9 to focus on punctuation, the tools that clarify our writing. In Session 10, we'll tackle sentence structure, learning how to craft clear and engaging sentences. Moving on to Session 11, we'll discuss paragraphs and their types, helping us organize our ideas effectively. In Session 12, we'll explore the essay, understanding its purpose and structure. Finally, in Session 14, we'll put it all together with writing purposeful paragraphs. Just a quick reminder, the heart of this course is your live reading and writing classes. But don't forget, you can supercharge your experience with extra activities on this platform. Check out the infographics that summarize the key topics, plus additional reading and writing exercises to enhance your learning. I can't wait to see all the creativity and skills that will blossom in this workshop. Let's get started!